Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to learn nails at home. First, let's gather your essential tools. You'll need a good quality nail file, a buffer, a cuticle pusher, and a variety of polishes, including a base coat, top coat, and several color options. Begin by mastering basic manicures and pedicures, focusing on proper nail preparation. This foundational step is crucial for achieving professional-looking results and building your confidence in nail care. Next, let's master some basic techniques. When shaping nails, always file in one direction to prevent splitting, aiming for a consistent shape across all 10 fingers. For cuticle care, gently push them back with a specialized tool. Avoid cutting them as this can lead to infection. When applying polish, use 3 thin strokes, one down the center, then one on each side. This method ensures an even, streak-free application and helps the polish last longer. Once you're comfortable with the basics, it's time to explore advanced designs. Start with simple nail art like polka dots, elegant stripes, or a subtle ombre effect. You can use specialized tools such as dotting tools for perfect circles, striping brushes for fine lines, and sponges for gradient looks. Remember, practice makes perfect. Try your designs on nail practice wheels or your non-dominant hand first to build skill before moving to your dominant hand. Finally, let's talk about maintaining nail health and ensuring your beautiful work lasts. Apply cuticle oil daily to keep your cuticles and nails hydrated, promoting stronger growth. Always finish your manicure with a high-quality top coat. This not only adds a brilliant shine, but also acts as a protective barrier against chips and wear. For household chores, wear gloves to shield your nails from harsh chemicals and physical damage, extending the life of your manicure.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.